ako muna kasi sa green tayo punta.
Let's go.
Tayo? Ito tayo?
Kayu.
Tayo?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Sahur! Tunggu, sahur. Help. Help. Pasok sa green! Go! Pasok sa portal! Wait lang mga yan.
Wala siya, he? Tayo?
2952.
Thanks for holding my hand, Caillou. You're very brave. That was splash
5, 2.
Caillou is going swimming with Mommy and Daddy. Here we are, Caillou. Are you ready to practice your
Red.
swimming? Caillou checked that he was wearing both his armbands. They would help him stay afloat. Caillou looked around and was very excited to see the slide leading right into the pool.
Ay, sahur!
When I was little, I went on a holiday. A long, long way.
Ang kulit-kulit.
Came too. When we arrived at the holiday, it was in a hotel.
Gaya.
The ice cream was all different colors.
Gaya siya. Oh my gosh.
Wait, look at the sea. The sea was so big.
Sahur.
And blue.
Punta ka na sa blue, sa green.
Wait, and
Sa
the
loob ng
was a
green.
beach. There were fish
Walang daan.
Go down on the beach for a
Ano
swim.
na pala yung daan? Grabe ka.
I wasn't sure.
Ito safe zone.
Everything was so different.
Sahur, sahur.
Bakit siya nakaganon?
When you go on holiday,
Thank you very much. Where are you?
Huwag mo ibabalik.
Balik.
Bali, uulan nila.
Bakit ganito?
Binali mo.
Hindi ah.
Ayusin mo nga yung screen mo.
Huwag ka makulit. Wala na.
Sige.
Wala tuloy yung green na ano. Key.
Wala na wala yung green na tea.
I love my holidays so different from every day. On my holidays, I go to new places. There's lots of new faces.
Oh my gosh.
On my holidays,
Sahur,
change is
Jesus.
amazing. The sun can be blazing. On my holidays, I can't stop my smiling. I find it exciting. On my holidays.
Ako na. Isa na yung green.
Sige doon. Sige dito.
Sige.
Tapos pasok ko sa maliit. Diyan.
Boom! Okay.
Dito.
Sige.
Tapos doon. Diretso na doon. Huwag ka dito. Diretso lang. Tapos likot. Ano?
Boom! Nandito na tayo sa green. So, buksan na pala. Kuhain mo na yung red.
Blue.
Ay, yung blue. Ito na yung blue. Ay, nandito yung blue. Let's go.
Ang galing mo na yan. Tapos kain. Kain mo muna.
Sahur.
Tapos yellow. Ano mo yellow?
Okay.
Nakuha mo na ba yung ano? Makampuan. Five. Seven yun. Oh.
Two.
Ayan na. Sige na. Sa likod. Huwag ka di direksyon. Tingnan mo naman sa taas mo.
Bye.
Bakit safe zone?
Pwede mo na tayo safe zone.
Sinayang mo lang yung oras. Pindot-pindot ka, sinayang mo lang yung oras. Sara na. Sinayang yung oras ko.
What does everyone say to you? Now you can say
Kasi na yung oras. Where is the yellow ba? Ayun lang pala.
Sinusundan niya si Hamor. Namatay.
Hinapin ko nga yung yellow. Yung kulit mo kasi. Sinayang mo lang yung oras eh.
Namatay ang tao.
Matay ang kain natin. Vampire. No more sa 4.8.
There were lots of better people. It was the early books time, but people were still in bed. Not all those people did, Mummy.
They're all getting better.
Mummy said that people were getting better. They didn't look very better to me. Some people were wheels around in their
Kawawa
bed.
naman pala yung leg.
Binalik mo kasi. Sinira kasi nila ang buko eh. Sahur?
No more sa 4.8. Ilan na yun? Ilan na yun nakain na doon?
There was a man in the bed with a towel on his head.
Want na tayo sa parkour.
Twists for right.
Go and say hello to Daddy, Ted.
No, I said, that's not
Ala,
my daddy.
ilang daan dito eh.
Ang ready ay. Ay, umunod sa
Bilis naman maglakad.
No, to.
They can make you feel all topsy-turvy too.
Tinanggal ko muna, Lex.
Look like
Galag, hindi ito ba?
but daddy is still daddy.
Yung mukha natin kasi bali.
Tinanggal na! Grabe ka.
Hindi masira na.
Sinira mo man yung ka natin. Dapat tinanggal mo sa ano yan.
Yung isa, maganda yung isa no? Yung second na.
But they're all there to make him better. You look different to Time Tools when you dressed up like a king. Daddy's dressed up like a king too. So hey,
No more sahur for me. And for you. And forever and ever again. Parang may naglalakad ba? No, okay ba?
Marinig.
Takbo!
Hindi ka tasama. Sige, hindi ka kasama.
Pasok na tayo dito.
Tapos punta ka sa ano? Sa dulo, doon sa X. Eh, dalawa na lang. Let's go.
One last. Alam, mamatay ako ni Sahur. Patay na ako ni Sahur. Namatay ako kay Sahur.
Si Sahur, oh, si Sahur. Tingnan natin. Si Tungtong Sahur, habol kami. Habol kami, Tungtong.
Baby, you want to watch? We're making a YouTube channel. Grabe ka, tapos yun. Wala, hindi tinapos.
Tapos tayo din eh.
Gotcha.
Mario.
Kung mamatay kami, end na yung vlog. Na-end na yung vlog kung mamatay kami.
Okay, talaga tayo dito.
End na yung
Sahur
vlog
for
kung
you.
mamatay kami.
That is Sahur for you.
End na yung vlog kung mamatay sa tibang.
First bag.